Welcome to Investing Right with Dennis Isong, and today I want to talk about seven things you need to do, you need to check before you buy any property from any real estate company. 7 things. So before I proceed, I want you to like this video, I want you to comment, ask questions on this video, I want you to also subscribe to this channel, because what I'm going to share with you, they might look simple, but they are common mistakes people make. Don't go anywhere, because I'm going to give you these 7 points. I will try to make sure that this video is less than 5 minutes. But if it's more than that, that means that I will have to do part 1 and part 2. But let's go. What is number 1? Number 1 is this: the company have to be registered. Why would you buy a land from a company that's not registered? Why will you buy a property from a company that's not registered? Don't be deceived. Don't allow anybody to just give you any name and tell you, okay, this is XYZ company, and when you ask them to give you their ROC number and it's not, you can't get it. No, try to get, whenever you're getting a property, try to get a property from a registered company. With registered company that is registered, it is very important. Try to avoid dealing with individuals when you are getting a land or a house. Try to avoid it, because it can be very, very dangerous. So it is important that you deal with companies, but make sure that that company is actually registered. That is number 1. Number 2, the company has to have license to operate. No, you can't just wake up and start operating real estate company. You need a license. In short, when you're registering a business name, they will ask you which section do you want it to be, and if you put it as a real estate, that is just part 1. In short, when you go to open a business account as a real estate company, they will go to ask you for the license. And that's not all. As a real estate company, they are supposed to belong to some organization like the Radar. I wonder how company will operate in real estate sector without having a license. If a company decides to operate in this kind of sector without having a license, that is actually fishy. So it is important, it's very important, you make sure that that company at least belong to a body, either the one for developer or the one for surveyor, or just belong to a body that you can they believe in, or they depend on the sector, with the particular subsector they are operating on. It is very, very important. So make sure that they have license, they belong to body which you can fall back to. It is very important. That is number 2. Number 3, buyer-seller agreement. Before you pay for a land, listen to this very well. Before you pay for a land or you pay for a house in an estate or any of these estate companies, ask for what they call the FAQ or what they call the buyer-seller agreement, because that particular sheet will show you the do and the don't, some of the things you need to be aware. Those things most time are not spelled out. Some of these informations are not in public. It's after you've purchased that you will now know, I never knew about this, because you never ask question. So your buyer and seller agreement is very important. That is why I would advise you to make sure that you read it, involve your lawyer to read and interpret for you. I would like to end it on this note. I don't want this video to be more than 5 minutes. So before we end it, I have a question for you. And when you answer it right, I have a special gift for you. The question is simple. Which part in Nigeria is the most expensive place to live? You know the answer? Comment below. I want to see your comment below. Which part in Nigeria is the most expensive place to live? I want you to comment below. As simple as that. Comment below. I will reply you. If you get it, I will let you know that you get it. If you don't get it, I will let you know that it was incorrect. But for those that get it, I have a special gift for you. Then this time next week, I will upload another video. So I will complete this episode. Make sure that you come back next week and we'll watch it on this channel. Please like, share and comment below. My name is Dennis Isong.